Howdy sports fans, welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. Today you're RVing with me inside. So it's a pretty chill day. My van buddy had left a couple of days ago. He might be back, but in the meantime it's just Ninja and I. She's doing about the same deal as I am. She chilled with me most of the day as I laid in bed and read the news and other things like that. Had a few little chips and dip to snack on. But now it's going on almost a couple hours till sunset. Ninja has been out for about an hour. And I'm just going to kind of chill inside, watch some more YouTube videos. And I am going to make kind of an early dinner. Just a quick, easy one. And it's a little twist on how I showed you to make a quesadilla before, but I'll show you this here. And before sunset, we're going to go on a nice little walk. Okay, so I've got my way too large tortilla here. This time I'm just going to put about half, that bottom half in there. And let's go ahead and turn on the grill to a medium heat. Sorry about the fan. If I don't turn that on, smoke detector's definitely going on. Use a little Fiesta blend cheese. Great value, so a little of that in there. I am gonna put some, my garlic powder smashed. A little garlic powder. A little onion powder. A lot of onion powder. And we're going to fold this baby in two. That cheese melts real quick and the tortilla doesn't fit all the way in there, so I'm going to let it do one side, then the other. I'm surprised Ninja hasn't come crying back. Then I've got my medium thick and chunky salsa. I actually like the Walmart Great Value brand. Pretty tasty. There's the tortillas. I don't have any favorite brand. It's just starting to get warmed up. Holy moly. Sour cream's always a good additive. Or jalapenos, but I didn't do those today. Oh, that's why you don't flip it too early. My bad. Don't know if you saw that, but cheese wasn't melted, so it just went flying out. And I'll do a little clean as I go. Love the chili theme. Get these out of the way. Let's get that soda ready. Love my drinks on ice. There we go. Nice and crispy. So there, I'm not going to force you to watch me to eat. I'm not going to let you watch me eat, but I guarantee it's going to be tasty. Well, just started a little nature hike here, and 1 minute into it, heard a branch snapping here in the forest pretty close to me. Ninja's wanting to follow me. We'll see how far she goes. But I don't see anything, but it was something heavy. Like a deer or a person snapping a branch. I might just have to see during editing if I could see what did that. Well, let's get on with the walk. Scared Ninja because I stepped on a branch, pine cone. Oh, I've got some neighbors coming. Here's the mosquito pond. Oh my gosh. This is not going to dry up anytime soon. And got some more campers by me. Don't know how well you can see them, but a lot of bugs, probably mosquitoes. Oh my gosh. Look at them all. So that concludes my 20-minute hike. Ninja stayed here at camp. When that truck came by earlier, she ran back over here and she's been guarding the camp. She's staring off into the distance because somewhere a couple hundred yards there in the forest that away, it almost sounds like cows, but they're making too much noise and it doesn't quite sound like a cow. So I almost think it's male deer that are doing maybe a mating call or something. I don't know if this is the season for it, but Ninja hears it, I hear it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, give that thumbs up button a couple of smashes. Knock it out of the park. If you haven't already subscribed, we'd love to have you on board. The family here is getting bigger by the day, and appreciate all the new subscribers. And when you subscribe, you get alerts anytime I post a new video, which is about every day or two. So, from Ninja and I, we bid you adieu. Be positive, be nice, be active.